Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 9, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this smartphone. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now choose biometrics and password, click on face recognition and enter your current location method. After that, just get started and remember to install. Now you need to click home button, and when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!